In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parallax effect in Elementor, allowing your website to have that engaging parallax scrolling effect. Let's dive right in and transform your web page into something dynamic and eye-catching. First, you'll want to head to your WordPress login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials and access your account. If you've never done this before, navigating to your WordPress login page involves typing up-admin at the end of your website's URL. This is the gateway to making all the exciting changes we'll be exploring today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website where you have access to different features and settings that WordPress offers. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be crucial when managing various aspects of your site. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Elementor icon. This tool is fantastic for customizing your website, allowing for design changes without needing to code. Elementor offers a drag and drop interface that makes the entire process much less daunting, especially for beginners or those who prefer a visual approach to web design. Once you've successfully navigated to Elementor, the next step is to select the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This action opens up a new interface where you can start modifying your web page. Explore the array of widgets and settings available, as getting comfortable here will empower you to bring your creative ideas to life. Now look for the Advanced tab on the left panel. Clicking it will reveal more options, and this is where things start to get really interesting. A feature under Advanced is Motion Effects, which plays a significant role in adding life to your static web page. After you've entered Motion Effects, find the Scrolling Effects section. Here you'll see various options to implement a parallax effect. What's great about Elementor is that these settings allow you to customize the direction and speed at which elements move as a user scrolls down the page. This creates a captivating visual experience that can transform a standard website into something truly memorable. Take your time experimenting with these settings to see what best fits the overall theme and purpose of your website. And that's it. You now have all the steps necessary to create an engaging parallax effect using Elementor in WordPress. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be able to utilize these tools to make your website stand out and provide visitors with a seamless and visually appealing experience. Enjoy the creative process and see the difference this makes for your site's engagement.